Maharashtra has reported the highest ever COVID deaths in a day. 63,309 new cases were reported and 985 COVID deaths were reported in the state in 24 hours. The case fatality rate is 1.5%, while the positivity rate is 16.86%. And there you can see the long lines of people who are queuing up to get their vaccine. Remember, from the 1st of May, the vaccination drive goes into the next phase when it will be open for all who are above the age of 18 to 45. But there you can see many of the elderly trying to get their vaccine dose in time. In fact, the Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will hold a key meeting on the vaccination program in the state. Well, let's go across to Saurabh for more on that. And Saurabh, we're seeing these visuals of, these long lines of elderly people lined up to get their vaccine jab. From Saturday, it opens up into the next phase where everybody above 18 will be eligible. So a big worry for all the states.
Absolutely. Like we've been reporting, the vaccination for this stage, especially the 18 to 44 age group, is more dependent on the states. And why do I say that? Well, because A, the states have to procure the vaccines mostly on their own, apart from what the center's quota is, what the center will supply to states. And there lies the problem. Already at this stage, you can see these lines, these visuals that are coming in from everywhere. That means there is not enough supply. Now, the BMC says it has the capability, it has the resources, it has the staff to actually vaccinate many more people every day. But the main ingredient of all of this, the main thing is the vaccine doses, which are simply not enough in supply, irrespective of what the center claims. And that's something that's felt on the ground. Now, whether India's and Maharashtra's vaccination process from the 18 to 44 age group will truly start from May 1st is also a question because of this. The Chief Minister's meeting is aimed at taking stock of the vaccination so far, discussing with divisional commissioners the COVID situation and the state all across the state, and then formulating a strategy for the 18 to 44 age group vaccination. He will hold this meeting over video conferencing with all divisional commissioners across the state. Before that, he will hold that crucial meeting on the vaccination strategy. And essentially, if you speak to officials off the record, they're very skeptical of whether they'll be able to truly start vaccinating the 18 to 44 age group in large numbers. But unfortunately, not on record. Nobody's coming on record yet because they're still hoping that they'll be able to procure at least enough doses to perhaps start the 18 to 44 age group in a token manner.